Welcome students. Today we are going to learn standard 3rd subject environmental studies. Today we will revise the chapter number 7, that is our village, our city. Dear students, we are already learned that grains, vegetable, fruits, these are produced in farm and we are depending for these things on villages. Villages are the producers of grains, vegetables, fruits, milks, etc. And we depending on cities for the bicycle, toys, vehicle, clothes, medicines. These are produced in factories and mostly these manufacturing factories are situated in cities. So we are depending for these things on city. In earlier, there were no transport facilities are available. So some animals are used for transportation like horse, camel, bullock, elephant, donkey. These animals are used for transportation. In the olden days, the means of sending messages were not very advanced. In those days, people used birds to send messages. Mostly the pigeons are used to send messages. Today we are having letters, computers, mobiles, magazine, radio, telephone, newspapers, cell phones. These are the modern means of communications. With the help of this modern means of communications, we can easily communicate with other peoples. In modern age, means of transport and means of communication facilities are so increased. So it has resulted in increase in pollution. Everyone should use the means of transport and communications very carefully in order to control this pollution. Man used languages to communicate his thoughts to peoples. The same language is spoken in different ways in different regions. The pronunciation of words changes as per region. Words from other languages enter and influence our language. So the different dialects are formed in a same language. For example, Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Marathi is spoken in everywhere in Maharashtra, but that is having different dialects in everywhere. Ahirani is spoken in North Maharashtra or in Khandesh. They are spoken Ahirani language. Malwani language is spoken in Konkan region and Varadi language is spoken in Vidarbha. So in a same language they are having different dialects. In this way we have just revised the chapter. Now we will solve the exercise. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First, in the olden days, means of sending messages were not very dash dash. Answer is, in the olden days, means of sending messages were not very advanced. Number 2, the dash dash of the words changes with the region. Answer, the pronunciation of the words changes with the region. Number 3, grains, vegetables, milks, etc. come from dash dash. Answer is, the grains, vegetable, milks, etc. come from villages. Number 4, factories are mostly situated near the dash dash. Answer is, the factories are mostly situated near the city. Dash dash is the state language of Maharashtra. Answer is, Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Question number 2, write at least 2 examples of each. First, dialect of Marathi language. Answer is Ahirani, Varadi. Number 2, the things made in factories. Answer is clothes and automobiles. They are made in factories. Number 3, the raw material produced in villages for the industries, that is cotton and sugar. Question number 3, find the odd one out. First, bullock cart, aeroplane, metro, helicopter. These all are modern means of communication. Bullock cart is old one. So answer is bullock cart. Number 2, grains, vegetables, automobile, fruits. Grains, vegetables and fruits are produced in cities. So automobiles is odd one. Number 3, telephone, newspaper, pigeon, mobile phone. These all are means of communication. Now, pigeon is using in olden days. So, answer is pigeon. Question number 4. Write the answer in one sentence. First, which items from the vegetables, onions, wheats, motorcycles, books, TV, radio come to the city from the village? In this question, we have to find out the things which are come to the city from villages. The onions, wheat are come to the city from the village. Number 2. Which items from the vegetables, onions, wheats, motorcycles, books, TV, radio come to the city from the city? Now, which items from this list are come from the city? They are motorcycles, books, TV, radio come to the city from the city. Number 3. What is communication? Answer. Communication means sending and receiving the messages and information. Number 4. Which problems arise due to increased use of means of transport and communication? Answer is traffic jam, road accidents, air pollution, sound pollution, and several health problems arise due to increased use of means of transport and communication. Number 5. Why does man use language? Answer. Man use language to communicate his thoughts with peoples. Number 6. List out the things which are produced in village. Answer is things like grains, vegetables, fruits, flowers and milks are produced in village. Number 7. How did people send messages in olden days? Answer. In olden days, trained pigeons were used for sending messages. Number 8. How were birds used to communicate the information? Answer is the messages was written on paper or cloth and that piece tied up on leg of bird. These birds were well trained. So in this way the birds are used to communicate the information. What are the means of communication available nowadays? Answer is today mobile phones, TV, radio, internet, satellite, newspapers, radio, letters. These kinds of means of communications are available. Number 10. Why is the difference between village and city reduced nowadays? Answer is because the use of transport system and communication system is increased, so the difference between village and city reduced nowadays. Question number 5. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, airways is the main mode of transport in Thane district. It's a false. Number 2. Boats and ships are the means of water transport. This is true. Number 3. Shivneri Fort is located in Mulshi Taluka. Answer is false because Shivneri Fort is situated in Junnar Taluka. Number 4. There is an airport at Lohgaon. This is true. Number 5. Buses, trains, cars are the means of transport used on land. This is true. Question number 6. Match the following. Column A is Malshades, Shivneri and Mayureshwar, and column B is Sanctuary, Ghat and Fort. Malshades is Ghat, Shivneri is Fort and Mayureshwar is a sanctuary. Question number 7. Answer the following questions only in one words. First, a stop for trains, that is called as railway station. A place where aeroplane land, that is airport. A place from where a ship departs, that is port. Question number 8. Name the following. First, the transport routes that need to be built, that is road transport. For the road transport, we need to build a road. Number 2. The natural transport routes, air and water transport, they are the natural transport routes. Number 3. Railway junctions in Pune district. There are 2 railway junctions in Pune district. They are Pune and Daund. Number 4. Forts in Pune district. There are so many forts in Pune district. Shivneri Fort, Sinhgarh Fort, Purandar Fort, Rajgarh Fort, Torna Forts, etc. are the forts in Pune district. Number 9. Cross out the wrong alternatives from the following statements. First, usually machines vegetables are carried from villages to cities. Usually vegetables are carried from the villages to cities. So machines is the wrong. Number 2, post-internet is the modern means of communication. Internet is a modern means of communication. So post is wrong. Number 3, Malwani Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. So Malwani is crossed. Aeroplane is the fastest or slowest means of transport. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. So we put cross on slowest. In this way, we are solve exercise and revise the chapter number 7, our village and our city. Thank you.